Welcome to my channel, Gosia at Home Cooking. Today episode will be about strawberries, fresh, delicious strawberries. I will make strawberry cake. I hope you enjoy. For my simple strawberry cake, I needed 6 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 3/4 of cup oil, 2 1/4 of cup flour, and 2 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and about 2 cups of strawberries. I have fresh strawberry, just picked on a strawberry field. So it will be delicious strawberry cake. And I need orange extract 1/4 of teaspoon and lemon extract 1/4 of teaspoon. First part, I separate white. Now I'll beat white. The whites are very thick. The sugar, 1 cup. Now I'm adding 6 yolks, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of lemon extract, orange extract, and oil. Salt, a little bit, and flour. I mix with the baking powder, 2 teaspoons, and now I will mix very gently. This is the last part. Dough is done. I butter the baking pan. I use the regular butter to give me extra flavor. I have a very nice baking pan. Clip on, works very nice. The butter looks great. Way to even a cake. And strawberry. The cake is done. Now I'll bake in the oven 350 degrees. Our cake is in the oven 350 degrees, and I will bake for about 50 minutes to 1 hour till it's nice and gold, and toothpick will be nice and dry. I always use this technique with toothpick. I bake a cake for 50 minutes, and let's go check. It's nice and dry, and now I can turn off oven. Strawberry cake is done. Put the powdered sugar. That looks beautiful. If you like this video, make sure give me thumbs up. Please like, share and comment, and subscribe for more recipes. I make recipes once a week, and thank you so much for watching. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.